Hey class, I wanted to get on here and make a really quick video just to explain a couple of things this week. We've got week 3 starting on Tuesday, so please watch this in order to understand everything that has to happen this week. I don't have this in the list, but there is one more assignment. You're going to see it listed down here. As always, start with your week 3, your Learn Smart activity. Please complete that to 100% before the deadline. And then you have some listening assignments. Make sure that you get them submitted. I need to tell you that once you complete one of these assignments, please return through the yellow tab to get back to Nash Community College so that Moodle Grades knows that you completed the work. Okay, I'm going to try to show you this. In lieu of a concert credit that you have to attend a live performance, I have broken the concert grade up into 5 pieces throughout the semester. And so the first thing you need to do this week to get started would be to watch this video, and it's in Connect, and it is through YouTube. If you have difficulty watching it because you are an early college student, I need you to try either to email me and I can email the video to you directly through another email. Maybe you can watch it through that. Either way, you need to answer the evaluation questions on Connect. So I'm going to go to this first. Hopefully it's going to happen. Let me pause it. So this is what I was talking about. Once you've completed an assignment, please go back and hit this yellow button to return to Moodle so that Moodle Grades knows that you've completed the assignment, and it will sync your grade at that time. So I'm going to have to go into McGraw-Hill another way to show you what I'm trying to get to right now. So you'll have to forgive this is not what you see. Hopefully it's going to let me. Oh, hang on. Okay, finally I'm into the right page. So these will be your week 3 assignments, and you'll see everything listed as normal. Now here is your concert evaluation video. You will go to this tab and begin this, and here is the video that you go to. I'm not sure if it's going to let me do this. Looks like it is. Okay, so it should open up right into that tab and skip the ads and get right to it. It is a 4-minute and 53-second video, and you must watch all of this, and you can go back and watch it again if you'd like. Let me mute this while I'm talking. You see these authentic instruments that they're going to be using. You're going to talk about them. You'll need to read about this in your book in order to understand what some of these things are. All right, you can talk about their costumes, about the fact that they're even sitting down, and that they're, all playing together. You'll see them all in a group as you continue watching. And so their guitars and their wind instruments and string instruments. And so anyway, I want you to tell me about the room, that there is a live audience, and maybe a little bit about just your observation as if you are in the room, okay, as if you're sitting in the concert. That's the most important thing for this assignment. I'm going to exit out. That's the first part. The second part is going to be where you write about what you watch. Okay, and this is where you write about it. I will be reading this. This is not a Moodle grade that will go right into the grade book. This is something I have to manually grade. It's a lot of grading, so don't expect me to grade it immediately because there's so many of you. Okay, and so I'm going to go into this and show you. Oops. Let me go back to my instructor view so that I can get into it. Okay. So I'm not sure how the view is going to be for you, but you need to read about these things just so that you make sure that's somewhere in the assignment. I know what there, it is somewhere in there. Here's, then we're going to go on into the actual instructions. Okay. After viewing the YouTube video on the Estampe performance, found on Connect, you should have already watched that. Answer all of the following questions. Write one paragraph for each question below. This is 75 points. You get 25 points for answering it on time. So what kind of instruments do you see on the video? And explain how these instruments sound different to you than usual. Okay, because some of you know what a string instrument's supposed to sound like, or a woodwind, or whatever. And so we've already studied about all of these family groups of instruments in the first unit. And then the second one is what musical elements of the song, the elements are the melody, the rhythm, the harmony, the dynamics, the actual instrument used. How does this song make the listener feel? Why do you have, what part of the elements makes you want to dance? Could be a lot to do with the rhythm or the tempo. So write about those things. And then the third question, this third paragraph, are there any instruments that double or play along with the same notes of the melody? If so, which ones? You can use exact examples. Do the best to explain that to me. This is worth 100 points. This is 1 of 5 of your concert evaluation grade. Your concert evaluation grade is 10% of your grade, of your whole grade. Okay? And so you can find this. It will be right under week 3 quiz. I've got to move it up. And this video will be somewhere under class resources. And so hopefully you're going to get all that. I'll also send you an announcement about that. So I hope that helps. Please make sure you return to the Nash Community College page after you complete one of these or all of these assignments, including the quiz. So let me know if you have questions. Have a great week.